Hello, we're going to briefly now look at the differences between group and nearby chat. First of all, we can see that we have two avatars in the room. They're obviously nearby. They're also in the same group. If we open up the chat box, the chat conversation box, we can see them there. Fenton Finesmith and the avatar I'm using at the moment, UE2. To get the group chat up, we need to add it to the conversations list. One way we can do that is by selecting people at the bottom, selecting groups, and then clicking on the group we want to join twice. As you can see on the left hand side here, it's now added it to the list of conversations going on. Whether we're in voice chat or not in voice chat, we can flit between both these, nearby chat and group, and text. So that's hello, and that's gone into the group, and nearby. So as you can see, I'm able to jump between nearby and group. However, I'm not currently joined. I haven't currently joined a voice conversation yet. To do that, what I need to do is either right-click over the group and choose Open Voice Conversation, or select the group and select the Open Voice Connection icon, which is a telephone at the top of the conversations box. Once I've done that, I'll be able to hear other people's conversations, if they're in the group, and also speak to other people if they're in the group. So if I click on that now, that's now a little box popped up there saying that I was joining the group, and now I'm connected by voice. And you can see I have a little icon there that shows that my voice is enabled within the group. So I'd now be able to hear people speaking if they were speaking within the group, and I would be kicked out of nearby voice, but I'm now in group voice. And I can see by clicking on speak that my avatar is now able to speak, and my little icon there has gone green. So other people in the group would also be able to hear me, but they would not be able to hear me in nearby. So what I need to do, if I wanted to go back to nearby for whatever reason, is leave the group voice. And to do that, I can click on Close Voice Connection icon, which is the telephone going down, or again, hover over the heading of the group and right click and select Close Conversation. So let's try that one now. Close conversation. Are you sure I want to leave this call? Yes. And that's kicked me back into nearby chat. And I can click speak, and as you can see, my avatar there, UE2, is speaking in nearby chat. People in the group who are possibly a long way away from my avatar would not be able to hear me. Only people nearby can now hear me. So again, just to recap, to join the group, to get the group into the conversations box, just click on it twice. That's added at the top left there. Drop it down. Either right click to open voice conversation, or select the telephone icon. So let's try right clicking first. So open voice conversation, and there you go. I've jumped my speaking icons has jumped up there, and you can now see me, UE2 is there. Click on speak and it's green, and I'm speaking to the group again. Whether I'm in voice conversation or out of voice conversation, I can still jump between text chat and communicate with both group and nearby without any problems. So be mindful of whether you have selected nearby or group, and whether you're typing, so that you don't speak to, like for example, a group when there's nobody in the group, or speak to nearby when everybody's in the group. So just try and follow where the majority of the conversations. Okay, that's a quick guide to group and nearby.